How to hide friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. Now let's get started. Open your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your Snapchat account. Your camera will open up. Now go to the chat section. For that, tap on this icon given at the bottom left. After you land to the chat section, now you have to go to the conversation that you want to hide. Here I'm gonna hide this one conversation. All you have to do is long press on it. Different options will pop up. Tap on this option of chat settings. Within Snapchat right now there is no such feature to hide friend, but what you can do is clear conversation from the chat feed. So tap on this option of clear from chat feed. This will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. Tap on clear. You can see that conversation has disappeared from my chat section. So this way you can hide friends on Snapchat. If you want to get back to that friend, you can tap on the search icon and search for that person's username. After that person's username appear, you can open the conversation with that friend and you can easily start the conversation. And this way the conversation will be available to the chat feed. So this is how you can hide friend on Snapchat right now. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.